guys, in today's video I am going to tell you how to stay motivated as a reseller when you get burnt out, when you just become unmotivated. First off, if this happens to you, just know it's completely normal. It's normal to get burnt out with everything in life. And this is kind of helpful for like the situation going on right now, being quarantined. My first tip is to switch things up. So, you know, some people thrive on routines. Like I like routines, but I also like to switch things up every once in a while because, you know, change can be good. If you find yourself becoming burnt out, try switching things up. Try maybe sourcing at a different store, sourcing at a store that you've never been to before. When you're doing my least favorite thing on Poshmark, sharing your closet, try to do it like outside. Get some fresh air. I found that fresh air helps with a lot of things. I'm usually in my house all day long, mainly because it's winter time right now, or it's still winter time in New England. Fresh air can be a huge game changer, or just changing your like location. This can't really apply right now, but once this quarantine thing is over, you know, you can go to like Starbucks or someplace like that to like get your work done. You know, if you're listing things, if you're sharing things, you know, and you don't want to be in your house, try switching up your location and see if that works. Next thing is really important, and I've talked about this in many videos, but don't compare yourself to other resellers. You and somebody else, like me and you, we're two completely different people. We're at completely different points in our reselling journey. We live different lives. It doesn't make sense to compare each other, you know? Focus on yourself, focus on your journey. Don't worry about what other people are doing, and you'll be a lot happier, I promise. My next tip is to make friends within the Poshmark community, or like reselling community in general. Have an accountability partner that will be there for you and motivate you. I have found that Facebook groups are super helpful. I'm a member of a bunch of different Poshmark Facebook groups, and I find them to be super motivating. People are always super nice for the most part. You do get some, you know, you do get some wackos in there, but for the most part, people are super nice, and it is very motivating. People are always uplifting. You know, if you ever have questions or anything, people are always there to answer. I'll be your friend. You can always DM me on Instagram, and you know, we can chat, we can hang out. I'll be your friend. I'll be your accountability partner. I'll help motivate you. But yeah, it's definitely helpful when you surround yourself with people that do what you do because they get it. I love that my husband also sells on Poshmark, because if I want to like complain about something to him, he gets it, you know? He knows the ins and outs. He knows like different situations that can happen, so it's very comforting to be able to like vent to him about it. So yeah, make friends, surround yourself with people that are supportive and motivating. The next tip is to set small goals instead of big goals. A lot of people that start out on Poshmark want it to be like their full-time job, career, you know, they want it to be what they do, and that's an awesome goal to have, but that's a very big goal. You should set small goals along the way. So like for instance, set small daily goals, like I'm gonna share my closet 3 times today, or I'm gonna follow this many people today, or I'm gonna list this many things today. Setting smaller goals and accomplishing smaller goals is super motivating, and it sets you up very nicely to be able to accomplish the bigger goals that you have. My next tip is to celebrate your wins. So celebrate those small goals that you achieve. If you accomplish all your small goals in one day, reward yourself with like, I don't know, getting your nails done or getting an ice cream. It might sound corny, but it feels good to be rewarded. Those rewards will be super motivating, again, to help you accomplish your big goals. My last tip to stay motivated is to remember the big picture. Why did you start reselling? Is it because you love shopping, you love thrifting, you love knowing that you are contributing to help Mother Earth by not letting all these clothes just go in a landfill somewhere? Did you get into reselling because you wanted a stay-at-home job, you wanted to be able to stay home with your kids and watch them grow up? Like, why? Remember that everyone's journey is different and things take time, but just keep the big picture in the back of your mind. That kind of rhymed. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you are a reseller, full-time, part-time, whatever time reseller, and you have any suggestions on how to stay motivated, comment down below and let me know. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up and you want to start reselling, or if you just want to purchase something, you can use my code KeepinItRad. You'll get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.